Hello friends, today we are going to study chapter 1 of ENTRE JEUNES class 9. First chapter is La Famille, the family. So let's see what is there in this chapter. On the first page, you can see Akanksha se présente. Se présente means to introduce oneself. Akanksha introduces herself. Akanksha says, Je m'appelle Akanksha. I call myself Akanksha. That means she wants to say, my name is Akanksha. Je m'appelle Akanksha. J'ai 16 ans. I have 16 years. I have 16 years, they say. But in English, we say, I am 16. That is, I am 16 years old. So when they tell, the French people tell their age, then they use avoir, not the be form, être. No, avoir, yes. J'ai, I have 16 years. They say this way. J'ai 16 ans. I am 16 years old. Je suis au lycée. Lycée. Lycée is high school. I am at the high school +2 in India. That is called lycée, high school. Voici mon frère, Kunal. Here is my brother, Kunal. Voici, here is. Lycée, high school. Remember this. In India, we have 10+2 system. So this is high school. So her friend's name is, so her frère, brother's name is Kunal. Frère means brother. Il a 17 ans. He has 17 years. Again, they say have with the age. Il a 17 ans. He is 17 years old, that is to say. Il est au lycée aussi. He is, aussi is also. Also, he is also at the high school. Et toi, and you? Tu t'appelles Pauline. Is your name Pauline? Tu es quel âge? What is your age? This way, they ask either quel âge as-tu or tu as quel âge in spoken. Tu habites où? Where do you live? Habiter is to live. Tu es française? Are you French, girl? So this way, you can ask questions. You see, 3 questions are there to ask the age, to ask where do you live, and what is your nationality. Notre père travaille à l'ambassade de l'Inde à Paris. Our father, Akanksha says, our father, that is Akanksha and Kunal's father. Travaille, travailler is to work. So he works at, is at the embassy of India in Paris. Notre mère est professeur de la musique classique indienne. Our mother is the teacher of Indian classical music, la musique classique indienne. Nos camarades de classe sont très sympas. Camarades de classe, classmates. No is our classmates. Camarades de classe, classmates, co-students are very nice, sympa. So the student is supposed to introduce himself or herself. J'apprends à me présenter. I learn, I'm learning, I'm learning. Apprendre is to learn. I'm learning to introduce myself. Me présenter. Présenter is not present, but introduce. So introduce myself. I'm learning to introduce myself. First question. Comment tu t'appelles? That is, how do you call yourself or what is your name? You can answer, je m'appelle Pauline. Je m'appelle Sushma. Whatever your name. Je m'appelle Kunal, etc. What is your name? Whatever is your name. Second question. Quel âge as-tu? Here inversion has been done. Avoir is first and tu is again later. Quel est, which is or what is your age? That is, how old are you? J'ai these many ans. So here you need to tell how old are you. For example, you can say j'ai 15 ans, j'ai 16 ans, j'ai 17 ans, etc. Où habites-tu? Who is where? Where? This is question word. Who means where? Where do you live? So you can tell j'habite à Delhi, j'habite à Jaipur, j'habite à Bengaluru, etc. Fourth question, quelle est ta nationalité? What is your nationality? Nationality. Je suis indien. If you are a boy, je suis indien. If you are a girl, you will say, je suis indienne. This way, you will make feminine double NE. Je suis indienne if you are a girl. Okay. Next page. Fifth question. Que fait ton père? What your father does. Ton père, your father. Fait, it is faire. Faire is to do. So what does your father do? You will answer, mon père est, if you suppose your father is a doctor, mon père est médecin. Or, mon père, you will conjugate this être with il, okay? So you are talking about him, your father. He is third person singular, il. Il est médecin. Mon père est, for example, he is, your father is a businessman. So, il est homme d'affaires. Homme d'affaires. Sorry, just a minute. Homme d'affaires. This way. Et ta mère and your mother, that is, this is in continuation of the previous question. Que fait ton père? What does your father do? Et ta mère and your mother, what does she do? Ma mère est, you can say my mother is a doctor, ma mère est médecin. My mother is a housewife. Then for housewife, ma mère est femme au foyer. Ma mère est femme au foyer. Voici Ali et Nargis. So other characters apart from uh, Akanksha, Kunal, and Pauline, these two are other characters. You can see Voici Ali et Nargis. Here are Ali and Nargis. Ils sont sénégalais. They are Senegalese. They are from Senegal. Leurs parents habitent à Dakar, au Senegal. Their parents live. So you can see habit is ending with ent, which will be silent. You will not speak it out. Habit. Ils habitent. So this habite is conjugated with the pronoun il. They, ILS. They live at Dakar. Dakar is the capital of Senegal, for your information. Leur père est informaticien. Their father is informaticien is computer engineer. Computer engineer. Il travaille chez IBM. He works at, she is at IBM. This is a computer related company, multinational company. IBM, IBM in French. IBM. J'apprends à saluer. I learn or I am learning to greet. A saluer is to greet. Pour chaque image, pour is for, chaque is every. Image, for every image, retrouve le bon dialogue, find out. Retrouver is to find out. Find out the good dialogue, the suitable dialogue. So you will see there are 6 images given and 6 dialogues are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So there are 6 dialogues and you need to match them suitably. First sentence, first dialogue. Salut Max. Salut Henri. Ça va? Hello, hi. Salut is informal way. Bonjour is formal way. So they should be friendly. This is not a formal greeting. So this is not at a school student teacher relationship or any office superior inferior relationship. They are on equal terms, and therefore they are not telling bonjour, rather they are saying salut to each other. Salut, hi, hi, Max. They are friendly with each other. Salut Henri, ça va? Everything well? Oui, ça va bien. Everything's going well. Et toi and you? Super. Okay, super. I'm also super. Second dialogue. Bonsoir, ma chérie. Good evening, my darling. Ma chérie. Un café. Would you like a coffee? It is an offer. Bonsoir. Oui, merci. Good evening. Yes, thank you. C'est gentil. Very nice of you. Third dialogue. Bonjour, Madame Bruno. Now here, bonjour is used. That means the situation is formal. Bonjour, Monsieur Rousseau. Comment allez-vous? Now you can see, ça va is not used. Comment allez-vous is used. Vous is for formal or elderly persons, respectable people. They are addressed as vous, not tu. So how are you? Je vais très bien. Merci. I'm fine. Thank you. Et vous? And you? Fourth, bonne année à toutes et à tous. Bonne année. Happy New Year to every ladies and gentlemen. Bonjour. Bonne année à toutes et à tous. Toutes for feminine and tous for masculine. Fifth dialogue. Au revoir. Now they are saying goodbye to each other. Au revoir. À mercredi. Mercredi, this is Wednesday. Mercredi prochain. Prochain is next. So until next Wednesday. See you soon. See you again. Au revoir means see you. See you again. See you again. Sixth dialogue. Excusez-moi. Comment vous vous appelez? Excuse me. What is your name? How do you call yourself? Je m'appelle Madame Morin. My name is Madame Morin. The lady says, my name is Mademoiselle. This is Mademoiselle or Madame, you can say. Et toi? And you? Tu t'appelles comment? How do you call yourself? And the man replies, Paul. My name is Paul. Ils se présentent sur Internet. They are introducing themselves on the internet. This is they. Se présente, ENT silent, because this is conjugated with il. Il se présente sur. Sur is on internet. First dialogue, or you can say first introduction is, Salut, je m'appelle Vasu. Hi, my name is Vasu. Je suis Indien. I am Indian. J'habite à Chennai. I live in Chennai. J'ai 13 ans. I'm 13. Je parle hindi, anglais, tamil et un peu français. I speak Hindi, English, Tamil and a bit of French, a little French. Un peu, a little. Not fully, but un peu. J'aime, I like to. J'aime lire. J'aime danser. J'aime chanter. Anything. I like to read. I like to dance. I like to sing, etc. Any verb in infinitive form can be the sentence. Then next introduction is Bonjour, mon nom c'est Bond, James Bond. Hello, my name is Bond, James Bond. Je suis de Londres. I'm from London. The is from. Je suis anglais. I am English. Je parle bien anglais. I speak well. Bien is well. Français et espagnol. I speak well English, French, and Spanish. Español, Spanish. And next dialogue is, Salut, je suis de Paris. I'm from Paris. Mais is but. Je suis un Algérien. I'm Algerian, Algeria. Je parle français, arabe et un peu allemand. I speak French, Arab or Arabic, and a little German. Allemand is German. Allemand. Mes parents habitent en Algérie. My parents live in Algeria. Amir Abdullah. His name is Amir Abdullah. Next page. Remplis la grille avec les éléments demandés à l'aide des messages au-dessus. fill out the grill with the elements asked for. Demandé is asked for. With the help of l'aide, with the help of messages au-dessus, above. With the help of above messages, you can fill the this grill. So what is the person's name and prénom? Prénom is first name and nom is surname. Remember this. Prénom, first name, and nom. For example, this first dialogue says, sorry, this second dialogue says James Bond. Mon nom, c'est Bond, James Bond. So here, no will be Bond. And prénom will be James. Like this. Okay. So this no means surname, not name. Âge, the age, nationality. Know the ville, name of the city. Ville is city. Langue parlée, languages spoken. How many languages they can speak? La famille Martin, the family, Martin family. Martin family. Monsieur Gérard Martin. There is a person, Monsieur Gérard Martin, and her wife, Madame Michel Martin. Mr. Martin is 75, while her wife is 70 years old. Her name is Michel. This old man of 75 is médecin, doctor. And his wife is professeur d'école, teacher in school. So you can see these are professions. And then they have children and grandchildren. Their son is Monsieur Renaud Martin, 43 years, 43 ans. He is engineer. He is engineer. And you can see Madame Yvette Martin. This is this person's wife, Yvette Martin. She is 40, 40 ans, and elle est architecte. She is architect. Now you can see Dennis Martin, Danny Martin, 16 ans, 16 years, lycéen, is school going, high school student. Lycéen is high school going student. So these Gérard, old man, and Michel are his grand-père and grand-mère. All right. And what is Dennis to them? Danny est le petit-fils. He is the grandchild, grandson. Okay. So grandfather, grandmother, and grandson. Petit-fils is grandson. Remember this. Now, the father of Dennis is Renaud, and his mother is Madame Yvette. So, he is their fils. Fils is son. All right. Now, Dennis has Monsieur Marc Dubois et Madame Sophie Dubois. So Sophie is this old man's daughter. So Dennis is Sophie's nephew. Okay, neveu is nephew, and Sophie is tante, auntie of Dennis. In Hindi, we say Bua, father's sister. Okay, and this Mark is Sophie's husband. Okay, so this way he is oncle de Danny is uncle to Dennis. All right, let's move on. This Sophie, that is aunt to Dennis, has two children, Pierre Dubois and Catherine Dubois. You can know by the name, they are Dubois, okay, not Martins. So these two children are of Dubois family, Pierre and Catherine. Pierre is 25 years old. Il est journaliste. He is journalist. And Catherine, 23 ans, 23 years, elle est pianiste. She is a pianist. And they are Dennis's cousin et cousine. Cousin, masculine, cousin, and cousine, feminine cousine. Okay. And Dennis has a brother. Sorry. Dennis has a sister, sir. Her name is Sylvie. Sylvie Martin. Elle a 13 ans. She has 13 years. And elle est collégienne. Now, college is not a college of India, but college of France is middle school. Okay? Remember this. Middle school, not college. In this middle school in French is called college. Okay? And this way, Dennis is frère to Sylvie. Frère means brother, sœur means sister. So this was all about Martin family. À toi de compléter comme dans l'exemple. To you to complete the fill in the blanks. Okay. As, comme means as in the example. J'habite à Delhi. Examples. Je m'appelle Divya. Tu habites à Lahore. Tu t'appelles Mansour. So you need to conjugate this habiter with je, j'habite, appeler, je m'appelle, okay, and tu habites. Remember the endings. Tu carries an es ending like this. Tu habites à Lahore. Tu t'appelles, again es ending, as we are conjugating it with tu form. You can see tu form has an es ending, je form has e ending, okay, as given in the conjugated parler. Parler is to speak. So vous habitez, is ending, vous habitez, vous parlez, vous habitez, you live à Delhi, you live in Delhi, vous habitez à Mumbai, etc. Vous habitez à Lahore, etc. Il habite, he lives. see how this habite is conjugated, how this word habite is being conjugated. Il habite à Dakar. Elle habite à Londres. Elle habite à Paris, etc. J'étudie l'alphabet. I study the alphabet. Écoute et répète. Listen and repeat. A, B, C, D. Now this E of English is called O. A, B, C, D, O. F, G. This G is called J, and this J is called G in French. So in pronunciation, our French alphabet is different. Some letters are different. G, H, E. Now this I is called E, and this E is called O. Okay, remember this. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This way, you should learn this alphabet so that you can tell the spelling of any word. For example, the spelling of your name, the spelling of your the name of your city. You may need this alphabet. Okay. Maintenant, épelle ton prénom et ton nom. Now spell out your first name and your surname. Jeu de loto. Okay, this is counting numbers given. This you will need to tell your telephone number, or you can hear them on platform that such and such train number this such and such is arriving at such and such platform. So you will have to understand those numerals, numbers. 0, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23, 24, so on, 29, and 30. Then 31, 32, 33, etc. and 40. And then 41, 42, 43, and so on. Then 50. And 51, 52, 53, 54, etc. and 60. 70, 71, 79, 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, so on, 90. Then 91, 92, so on, and finally 100. This much you must know to tell your telephone number or to understand basic numerals in French. Danny Martin reçoit des amis. Dennis is receiving some friends. What is the dialogue here? Danny. Je vous présente mon père et ma mère. I introduce to you. Présente is to introduce. I introduce to you my father and my mother. Mes autres invités sont en retard. Invités, guests. My other, autre, other. My other guests are en retard, late. En retard is late. Voici Catherine. Here is Catherine. Son père est avocat. Her father is advocate. Sa mère est secrétaire. Her mother is secretary. Et ses cousins sont encore étudiants. Her cousins are still, encore, still, yet, still or yet, students. Ali asks, où est ta sœur? Where is your sister? Et ton cousin, Pierre, and your cousin, Pierre. Tes grands-parents and your grandparents, where are all they? Dis vrai ou faux. Tell true or false. Le père de Danny est médecin. The father of Dennis is doctor. Is it true or false? Please look to the chart, family chart given above, which has been explained to you, and find out the profession of the father of Dennis. I think it is false. Ali est un ami de Danny. Ali is the friend of Dennis. La mère de Danny est secrétaire. The mother of Dennis is secretary. Yes or no? Les cousins de Danny travaillent. The cousins of Dennis work. Do they work? True or false? Look at the facts given in the chapter and answer. Le cousin de Danny s'appelle Paul. The cousin of Dennis is called Paul. His name is Paul. Is it true? Okay. Observe la différence. Observe the difference. Les articles masculin, féminin, pluriel, definite article, défini, article défini, le, la, les, or if they come before vowel, then le or la becomes L apostrophe. There are indefinite articles, les articles indéfinis, un, une, and they. That is, o or some. Okay. C'est un chien. This is a dog. C'est le chien d'Akanksha. Now, le definite article is used because it is a specific dog. Specific dog, to make it specific, we put a definite article. So this is a dog, that is any dog, and say le chien d'Akanksha. This is the dog of Akanksha. C'est un enfant. This is child. C'est l'enfant de Colette. This is child of Colette. This is a lady. C'est une table. This is a table. Any table. C'est la table de Madame Lefebvre. This is the table of Madame Lefebvre. So we are specifying the things. Then we will put definite article le, la, or les before the noun. Ce sont des livres. There are some books. Ce sont les livres d'Ali. These are the books of Ali. So, specifying definite article. Ce sont des cahiers. These are some notebooks. Ce sont les cahiers d'Ali et de Nargis. These are the notebooks of Ali and Nargis. Je révise ce que je viens d'apprendre. I am revising whatever I have just learned. Je viens de, this is passé récent tense. I have just, whatever just happened is called passé récent or recent past. The first sentence, c'est une chambre. C'est une chambre, is feminine. C'est la chambre de Nicole. C'est un dictionnaire. C'est le dictionnaire de Nikita. C'est une voiture. C'est la voiture d'Alok. Ce sont des crayons. Ce sont les crayons de Sarah. Ce sont des sacs. Ce sont les sacs d'Alain. C'est une étudiante. C'est l'étudiante. So, la becomes L apostrophe because étudiante begins with a vowel. L'étudiante de Madame Lucienne. This way you can fill. Now, some ER ending verbs conjugue les verbes entre parenthèses. Parenthèse is brackets. This is called parenthèse. Nous, we. Nous travaillons. We work. Avec le professeur. With the professor. J'écoute. I listen. J'écoute, this ending, E ending, une chanson française sur Internet. Chanson is song, French song. I listen or I am listening a French song on the Internet. Sur is on. Third, Nicole, voyage. E ending, because Nicole is il for us, okay? Il voyage. En Italie, en mai. In May. Fourth sentence. Nancy et Joe, they become il, I-L-S. Il mange. What is the ending of il, I-L-S? M-A-N-G-E-N-T. E-N-T will not be pronounced. So, Nancy and Joe mange une pizza. They are eating a pizza. And nous rangeons. Now, ER, it is not ER, but GER. So, E will be maintained here. Rangeons. Nous rangeons, ONS ending, but E will be maintained. Do not skip this E. Nous rangeons la chambre. La chambre is bedroom. So we are arranging the bedroom. Sixth sentence. Tu regardes. Tu regardes. What should be the ending with tu? ES ending. Tu regardes un bon film. You are watching a good film à la télé, at the television, on the television. Now, we have read about digits or numbers. So you should be able to now pronounce the phone numbers, how to tell your phone number as well as other people's phone number. So I must tell you that while telling a phone number, we have to speak it out in pairs only. So Hans' phone number would be 01 68 56, 41, 20. Sylvie's phone number would be 04 33 19 11 91. Marco's phone number would be 06 61 03 87 26. Yoko's phone number would be 01 93 10 20 47. Peter's phone number would be 07 65 99 29 21. Karim's phone number would be 05 88 20 18 07. This way, you can tell your number also. Prepare ta fiche d'identité. Prepare your identity card. Ma fiche d'identité, my identity card. Colle ta photo. Colle is stick. Stick your photo. Colle. Coller is to stick. No. Prénom. Suppose your name is Prabhu Arora or Rahul Arora, say. Okay. So, Arora, your first, no. This is not your first name. This is your surname. No is surname. Remember this. Surname. Okay. No is surname, not name. So, you should write here Arora. And Preno, what is your first name? So, suppose it is Rahul or Preeti, suppose. So, Preeti. This way. Preno is no name and no is surname. Remember this. Date de naissance, date of birth. Whatever is your date of birth, you should remember the names of the months. For example, it is 20th December and 2010. Okay, so this will be 20th 20 décembre 2020. This way. Okay. Address, write down your address here. Numero de téléphone. Again, the same way. In pairs, you will write down here your telephone number. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Courier. This is your email address. For example, your email address is elanclassesjaipur @ Now, @ is called arrobas in French. Arrobas, gmail.com. Dot is called point. So, gmail.com. elanclassesjaipur arrobas gmail.com. This way you will speak. Okay. So, this is your identity card. Remets les dialogues en ordre. Re-put or rearrange the dialogue in order. Dialogue 1. Nicole. Nicole Duvernoy. Duvernoy. Bonjour, madame. Non, Duvernoy. Avec un V. Bonjour, vous vous appelez comment? So you can see there are some sentences, very easy sentences, and you should arrange these in order. Second dialogue is, oui, ça va bien. Yes, I'm fine. Et toi and you? And this is address, 25, Rue Balzac. Salut Pauline, ça va? Hello Pauline, all's well? Merci Pauline, au revoir. Thank you Pauline. See you again. Au revoir. See you again. Ça va? That's fine. Je cherche le cinéma. I'm searching. I'm looking for the cinéma Odeon. Tu sais, où c'est? Do you know? Say is savoir conjugated with tu. Savoir is to know. Okay. Où c'est? Where is it? So you can see somebody is asking for the whereabouts of the cinema hall, Odeon, and address should be told, and hello, hi, etc. You should rearrange the dialogue. Again, après le cours, you need to put these dialogues in order. After the class. Akanksha. Bonjour, je m'appelle Akanksha et toi? Dennis. Bonjour Akanksha. Danny. Salut Pauline. Pauline. Salut Danny. Ça va? Pauline. Bonjour Kunal. Tu habites où? Where do you live? Pauline. Je m'appelle Pauline. Pauline. Ça va? Danny. Et je te présente Akanksha. I introduce you to Akanksha. I introduce Akanksha to you. Elle vient de l'Inde. She is from India. Elle est Indienne. She is Indian. Kunal says, j'habite de Rue Balzac. I live at this address. Akanksha, bonjour. Voilà, c'est Kunal. Here is Kunal. Lui, il est Indien. He, him, he is Indian. Danny, oui, ça va, et toi? Yes, that I'm good. And you? Donny, entre dans la salle de classe. Dennis enters in the classroom. La salle de classe, classroom. Okay. Here are some short names for and you need to match them with full names. SNCF, TGV, PDG, ONU, OMS. So this is quite easy. You should be able to match this. Je découvre. I find out, I discover. This is the TGV. Train à grande vitesse. Vitesse is speed. Grande is big. Fast train, very fast speed train. Train à grande vitesse. And this is the headquarters of some office. You can see. This is, I think, UNO office. So how UNO is called? Organisation des Nations Unies. Okay. So, j'aime le train. SNCF. This SNCF is the organization that runs the trains. And this is President, Director General. What is it? President, Director General. Okay. PDG. So you can see Organisation Mondiale de la santé, that is WHO, World Health Organization. We call WHO, World Health Organization, as Organisation Mondiale de la Santé. So this here is carte de la France, French map, and here is carte de land, Indian map. Okay, so this was all in today's lesson. Au revoir. Thank you.